skip the middlemen. Another way to spot startup ideas with great potential is to look for industries with multiple middlemen and lots of bureaucracy. And it's not about taking away livelihoods of the middlemen, it's about transparency and helping improve the overall ecosystem within the industry. If it's good for the customers, understand that it's good for business. Everything else is just background noise. Technology has the potential to create and nurture communities. Technology can be used to create a go-to place or a hub for resolving a certain type of problem. Travel industry, for example, has seen a drastic change in the way it has operated, all right? Many travel services can be easily booked online using a plethora of online portals, and customers don't need to visit a travel agent anymore. They can plan and execute their vacation business trip themselves without having to worry about the lack of transparency. Matter of fact, there are over so many players in the online travel industry that there exist portals that help compare between the vendor portals. Think about that. Trivago, for example. It helps you find the best deals among the many online players that exist in the industry. Similar disruptions have been seen across food delivery and the logistics industry. The budget hotel industry has seen a similar wave of disruption with Oyo Rooms leading the charge. And all of these startups have all but one thing in common. They are all unicorns, valued at over $1 billion. Another industry getting disrupted is banking. Although banking is a complex industry, we are seeing it getting disrupted by a lot of tech companies operating within the payments division, such as Google Pay, you've got Apple Pay, Amazon Pay, PayPal, Paytm in India, and so on and so forth. So let's take an example of TransferWise. They are taking on banks in the domain of internal money transfer. They are the founders of Skype originally. TransferWise offers international money transfer at much lower commissions with a much more streamlined and less complex system. Their campaigns, they are provocative to say the least. Rest in peace, hidden fees. That campaign garnered so much social media attention in London and went viral worldwide. They started portraying banks as evil institutions, hell-bent on stealing from us common men, and that resonated well with the masses, I would believe. Attention, as Gary Vaynerchuk puts it, is the new currency. Another industry with an endless supply of middlemen is real estate. Next time you see a broker trying to sell you, working to get his commission, realize that there exists potential for disruption.